money flow, but fuck that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
All I seem to do is fuss and fight, 'cause all I ever do is speak my mind. And this is just another lonely morning, but I don't wanna be alone tonight, 'cause I've been having those nightmares, 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 nightmares. This is just another hopeless story, because I never leave the past behind. Look, I've lost control of my emotions, but I'm still living, I'm just going through the motions. Psychologically I got issues, don't know how to approach them. Plus I'm affiliated by association. The sinister reality is gruesome, I wish I could take it back a bit and think of a solution. I've never felt more like Frank Ocean, 'cause I've been thinking about forever. Soaking, my mother's midlife crisis got me thinking, where is the sense in overdoing it with drinking? Living like we haven't got a prayer, constantly we're thinking. I close my eyes because I can't be bothered blinking. I feel to drop into a sleep so deep that I could escape from everybody that knows me, phones me. Life in meanwhile city is lonely, but I know it's my one and only. All I seem to do is fuss and fight, 'cause all I ever do is speak my mind. And this is just another lonely